there is a data set here, USA arrest, US arrest. Okay.
Yeah.
It talks about, the crime rate of each of the state. Okay. Now, based on these factors, okay, I want to group this state. I want to see, these are like highly, see, based on
Based
these
on the
four
crime rate.
crime rate. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to read this. Okay. So I'm going to, of course, say import pandas as PD. Okay. Data set equal to PD dot read CSV. Right. So let me run it and start coding. Okay. Now, if you want to print, you can always print. Right. Now, see, we need to group the thing. So state doesn't matter for. Oh, I put it in wrong. That's what I was wondering. How it can be so fast. Okay. So we don't need state, isn't it? We just need these four values for analysis. So what I'm going to say is data df or something equal to data set. Okay. Data set. Yeah. Dot ilog. Okay. All the rows and from first all the columns.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now now we will perform our
Hierarchical cluster.
correct. So SciPy has the hierarchical clustering. Okay. So I'm going to say import SciPy SciPy dot cluster dot hierarchy. It's not coming. HI hierarchy. Okay. And I'll call this as HCH. SciPy cluster hierarchy. Okay. And okay. So using this, we'll be able to plot our graph. Okay.
Yep.
So I'm going to say import matplotlib dot pyplot as PLT. Okay. And then I'm going to create the figure. I'm going to say PLT dot figure and give the fixed size. Okay. What ratio? 10, 6. Okay, I'll let him pick 9, 6. It will be even bigger. Okay. And then you start creating dendrogram. So I'm going to say dendo object equal to SCH dot dendrogram. Okay. Now in dendrogram, we have to first link the data. So linkage data df. Okay. And should be it. Let me see. Okay, so this is the dendrogram. So what it has done, based on it, it has clubs. So this is row 32, this is row 8, row 1, 4. Where do you think we should make a cut? How many?
Longest line should be cut.
No, of course, this leftmost will be longest line, right?
Yeah.
You should look at here. Now, if I do a cut here.
Okay. 3.
Okay, yes, I'll get 3. And this one will be single one. right? This 32 is different. Okay, what is this 32 row number? Let's see. It looks very dangerous or very nice state. New Mexico. Oh, boy. So everything is high. 11, 20. No, not bad, right? Okay, so okay. So now I'm going to draw a axis line. Okay. See, this is very small, right? Very small. So either it is 3 here, maybe around 35, or somewhere, all these are small, right? Not that big. So 35 looks better. So you create axis line. I'm going to say PLT dot horizontal line.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll give y equal to 35. Okay. Now, so this has created this line here. Now you see
Yes, sir.
32 and 8 is separate group and everything else is separate. If I say 29 or 28,
Same. Somewhere around 26 maybe, sir. Then we'll be
yeah,
getting 4.
yeah. So that's the purpose. Okay. Now to make prediction, we have to call our algorithm, right? This is to draw the dendrogram. And the algorithm is in sklearn cluster. So I'm going to say from agglomerative clustering, divisive clustering, whatever you want to give. And cluster equal to agglomerative. Okay. And here I have to say number of clusters, right? And
Yeah.
number of clusters, 3 or 4, whatever you want to give,
Okay.
right? And okay, now we have to fit and predict, right?
Yes.
So my pred here equal to cluster dot
Fit predict.
predict, and you pass your data here,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Set. Now do you want to see it? Okay, so we'll draw a scatter plot.
Scatter plot. Yes. Yes.
All right. So we'll use same plt dot scatter. Okay.
X and
Data
Y.
df
Yeah.
is your x comma.
Y.
Now see, the thing is we have 4 values, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
But we
Yeah.
can't visualize all the 4 values.
Yes.
We have to take 2 at a time.
Yes.
Okay. 0, 1, then 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 0 means,
Okay.
right? And data show. Okay. So where is the error? Line number 18.
18.
Okay. What is the error? It says index. So if I say C equal to, okay, and equal to object dot labels. No, it's something. But see, scatter plot should give us, right, X and Y. What is the problem here? Something before. And we can print this white bread. Okay. 1, 1, 1.
Yeah.
Okay. Now plt.scatter. What is the problem here? Data df of 0. Let me see using iLog works. It worked.
Problem is solved, I think, sir. We didn't throw any error.
Yes. So see,
Okay. Yes, sir.
these are your, so this is one set of state, second set of states. So it's saying that this is one group, second group, third group.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Clustering done. We'll stop here. Please practice. Please
Okay.
do these 8 things. Next week when we meet, we'll do association and time series and Power BI and a little bit of Tableau. Okay. That's what I have planned for next week. Then we'll do resume building and
Okay.
mock interview. So my target is next 2 weeks. We should be done.
Okay.
We are done with the maximum. Now you can ready to, if you are looking for a job, you can start floating your resume.
As a data scientist.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
What, sir? Can you repeat again? I'm sorry, I'm not getting.
No, I'm saying that now you're ready to face the market. So go to market. Okay. We'll practice for next 2 weeks, of course.
Okay.
But